Hey fam, the word of encouragement for today is, behold, I stand at the door and knock. If anyone hears my voice and opens the door, I will come into him and eat with him, and he with me. What's up fam? It's your girl Shareen Nicole and I am back with another video. Yes, honey. So in this video, we're going to be doing our hair, honey. Yes. So I'm super excited to try this tool out that I got from LANDOT. So take a look and let's get to it. All right, fam. So y'all already know we got to start on freshly washed, clean hair. Okay. Right here, I'm just putting in my heat protectant because y'all already know y'all got to have a heat protectant in your hair when you're doing all this heat. Okay. And especially if your girl is a natural. Did y'all see that snapback? Like the shrinkage is real, y'all. But I'm going to go ahead and sit back and let y'all enjoy the rest of this video. And I will definitely chime in when I need to. Yes, honey, we are finger parting this hair. Okay, baby. We got our glove ready and here we go, honey. Let's see how it looks. Cause I was shocked. Y'all gonna see the look on my face. I was like, oh my gosh. And that was with just one pass, y'all. One pass. Did y'all see how straight that got with one pass? And I'm saying though, it's not like, you know, when we pass the flat iron over and over and over. And plus the thing that I really like about this is that you can get the kinks in the back with this brush. You ain't got to worry about getting burnt. Okay. Y'all see what I'm talking about? Look at the hair underneath. Look how straight my baby hairs in the back got. Unbelievable. I'm going to show y'all an even closer up in a minute. That's just amazing to me how the back of my hair is straight, and that's literally with, what, 2 passes we did now? Unbelievable. Definitely a keeper in my book. Let's do this in real time, shall we? I can't believe how much hair I can take at one time. And I love the fact that it gets underneath. Like, you have no idea. This literally cut my flat ironing time process in half, honey. I am so here for this. The only thing I will say is I don't want to keep the glove on because it's cotton and it snags. If it was like a satin glove, that would be better. But other than that, I get it. It's because, you know, you don't want to burn your fingers off. Do y'all see this? And even though the comb, like the comb brush or whatever, it's touching my scalp, it's not burning. Like, I just brush it right on there and brush it down. Like, this is insane. Look at... Y'all, if y'all wondering why I'm going both ways like this and flipping up, it's just so I can get the hairs on the root. And the reason why I go this way is so I can straighten out them ends. I did go ahead and turn it up to 390 degrees because at first your girl was scared. I was like, oh no. Like, I didn't want to burn my hair off. I'm in love with this. The links will be down below in the description box as always. It will also be available on my Amazon storefront, so go check that out. And save yourself some coins, honey, because you know your girl got a coupon code, okay? If I haven't put it up on the screen already, yes. Oh my, yo, no idea. You have no idea. This is a game changer. I'm just brushing my hair. And the amount of breakage that you might see is very minimal. Like a couple of strands here and like a couple of strands there. I think the blow drying process was way rougher than this because baby, I was blow drying and I seen some little pieces going pew, and I was like, oh shoot. I was like, what's going on? I really don't straighten my hair because once I do, it's gonna be like crack. It's gonna be addictive. And I love to have straight hair. But right now, the weather outside, it is kind of dreary, it's rainy. So I know that's the reason why my hair is puffing up right after I do it. Look at this, gliding right through them dang baby hairs. Oh my gosh. I might not have to do the baby hairs at all. Y'all see this? I'm touching my forehead with it. I mean, you don't want to sit there too long, but you want to just glide it down. You know what I mean? Like, yo, this is definitely a game changer. You seeing it firsthand. It's touching right on my scalp, honey. Right on my scalp. I am here for this because I was like, baby, if the hairs come out, it's gonna come out on camera with all of us together. This is so safe to use. Like, I was so worried. You know, sometimes you get set in your ways and you don't want to change it or whatever. And it's not that I didn't want to change it. I was actually very nervous to try it out. But I am so thankful and glad that I did. I really, really like this a lot. Wow. I like my hair flowy. But yes, honey, baby. Haha. Your girl is done. It's a little steamy in my bathroom as well. Between the blow drying, the shower, and the straightening, it's a little foggy, it's a little hot in this bathroom, okay? We have made it work, honey. This is the finished look without any flat ironing like put to your hair. And of course, my ends need a trim, but I haven't done that because I wear my hair curly. This is the finished result, and that is without any flat iron. Like I said, we can get a little closer with the flat iron right here, and I did run it right on my scalp. So yes, honey, I'm here for it, yes. Like, I'm in love. All right, fam, so I wanna thank you for joining me on this video. Please make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl if you haven't already, because we get it when it pop in with a little bit of everything. And don't forget, check the description box for the discount code for this product. Okay, this is by LANDOT. And like I stated, the links will be down below for their website and also my Amazon storefront. So feel free to check out either one, okay? And with that being said, your girl's hair is swelling up already. The weather, isn't it just great? And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.